There's two types of pre-workout in the world, Matt and mine. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Philadelphia.
Today is Thursday, February 8th, and it's 10:02 a.m. Matt and I are on our way to the gym. Gonna get swole, gonna pump some iron, gonna get huge.
It's a process, but eventually you're right.
Yeah, I haven't worked out since Friday, and it's Thursday, so that's been 6 days, and I am going insane. Like, I'm actually going crazy. So, I'm doing Kelsey Wells's power workout, and I didn't do her chest and tris on Monday or her back and abs on Wednesday. So I'm doing both today, and then tomorrow is back and shoulders. So we are going to the gym to lift, and then today is just a bunch of
errands.
To-dos, and not really errands, just like to-dos at home. But tonight we do have dinner with our friend Kelly, which will be nice. So I'll catch you guys at the gym. Where his pre-workout makes him like too swollen. And he's like just sitting here and he's like, I can't do it, I'm too swollen.
It's like gonna pop like a balloon. Putting up that camera just now, it was like hurting because I'm so sore. BCAAs. I honestly don't know what exactly BCAAs do. They're protein for your muscles.
They're branched chain amino acids. They are proteins.
They're protein. It just helps muscle recovery and like
muscle growth.
Muscle growth. So like when you lift pretty heavy, it's just good to take them afterwards. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to do, but whenever I take them, versus when I don't, I can tell a difference of how sore I am versus how sore I'm not. We're going to get lunch with our friend Gracie and her dad, Diamond Dave. And that's at 12:30. It's 11:30 now, and it's, I don't know, we'll take backwards so we can drive for longer and just kill some time.
A spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. You want to drive by Stride and then loop back around?
Yeah, let's show them Stride. I'll show you guys Stride and the space and everything. I've posted it on Instagram, but now I'll show you in what?
What is that Mary Poppins on? Is it a spoonful of sugar or is it a spoonful of honey?
All right. So this is Phoenixville. And this is our shopping complex. It's called Westside Apartments and Shopping. And we're over here in this end cap. This building right here is Stride. Ooh, ooh. All right, so this is it. Nice big building. Drive up a little bit. This end cap. This is all us. 4,000 square feet.
Get out?
Of pure beauty. No, it's okay. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's so big. And then next to it we have California Tortilla is, oh my god, I can't even lift up my arm. Right there. Then Pet Value, and then we have a nail salon. Then there's an open cap. I'm hoping for like a brunch place to go in there. And then that big round one at the end is a
bar.
brewery. All right, so this is Stride. Construction starting soon.
The lighting in here is very poor.
Oh yeah, probably cool. We're on the wrong side. Here we are. What up? We're at Founding Farmers. Gracie and I and Diamond Dave over here for our vlog. Great day to be us. We ordered some avo toast and I got a grain bowl.
Not be flimsy. Matt has a bad experience with
Matt is traumatized from flimsy avo toast.
Oh my gosh. Just large avocado toast.
So
it's
we got
too much.
sturdy avo toast. I got a grain bowl.
What did you get, Dad?
I got chili.
Hey, how are ya?
I got chili and some salad.
So long.
The salad, the healthy choice of the day.
What did you get, Matt?
I got Southern fried chicken and a donut. I'm pretty skeptical because the Southern fried chicken without the donut is the same price as the Southern fried chicken with the donut.
And we're in the north, so how can we be Southern fried?
Please follow my dad. Tell him your Instagram handle. Daily vlog.
Oh, what is it?
DD Daily
Daily
Vlogs.
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 Vlogs. Come check me
Tell
out.
him what you do on there.
You know, I
Insert a few.
document my.
I'll insert a few. Insert clips here. Ready? Go.
Temple wins, baby! Woo! Storm the court! Woo!
I document my diabetes journey and how I lower my blood sugar by taking spin classes with Tori and her gang, and you know, have some fun.
Not flimsy. Look at that. Look
Not
at the thickness.
flimsy. It's okay. Let me get down to eye
Get
level.
down. Wow. And comparison.
Okay, let's compare. Ooh, she thick. I always make you uncomfortable. Salad for Gracie, avo toast for me and Gracie, grain bowl for me, Matt's donut and fried chicken and green beans because you gotta get the veggies in there. And mac and oh, where's the mac and cheese?
Wow.
Yeah. Diamond Dave, chili, and a loaf of bread to go with it.
And some cornbread croutons.
Oh, can't forget the cornbread croutons. Dig in, everybody.
In the bathroom, there's some funny signs here. I'll show you guys when I'm done. This lighting makes me look weird. My hair, ugh. Look at it, it's so flaky. Not like dandruff flaky, but it just looks like fluffy. It's like a cloud. Ugh. I need to wear a hat sometimes. Alright, so check it out. Why are you looking over here? Nothing to see here either. And straight ahead. Perfect. Trying to avoid the tinkle on everything else. Always wash your hands. It's really cold out here. It might not look cold. It's really sunny, but it's freaking freezing. Yeah, I like the cold a lot, but look how short you are. I like the cold a lot, but like when it's cold, I want to say it. You know what I mean? Tor's like freezing up over here. She's like trembling. Come on, Tor.
So my lunch was really, really good. We went to, did I say where we went? We were at Founding Farmers.
Founding Farmers. I got Southern fried chicken. We're in the north. No big deal though. I got Southern fried chicken and a donut with it. Yeah. And it came with green beans and mac and cheese. And it was delicious. And there was two sauces. There was like a spicy sesame garlic sauce, and then there was also like this white sauce that I wasn't sure. I tasted it and I wasn't really sure what it was. But I did get a glazed donut with it, so I don't know. It was good. It was delicious. And the chicken, like, it looked like there was bones in it, but there wasn't bones in any of it. There was like one drum bone. It was ridiculous. But it was so good.
My bowl was really good. There was peanut butter at the bottom of it, which sounds like it'd be really weird, but it was really, really good.
Well, talk to you later, folks. This has been a Tori Sterling vlog.
Come on, let's go.
Run through your little gated community, you know how the girl be, I'm so fly. Put your left hand up, right hand got a left hand got a fuck, and you already know the rules don't apply to us. We gon' do what we do, whatever the fuck. Multiply and then here we go. Jogging backwards on a wall with a big in the hypnotized video. Put your left hand up, put your right hand up, put your left hand up, put your right hand up, put your left hand up, put your right hand up, yeah.
Matt's opening a package from Matt.
Do you think it actually plays music, or do you think?
I don't know. I haven't seen it. Oh, whoa.
But do you think there's like makeup in the boombox?
I don't know. Take it out and let's open it.
If it's just makeup, I'm gonna be pissed.
It's just makeup.
I thought it was a real stereo. That'd been so cool. We could have been walking around with it, like on our shoulders. Thanks, Mac. I wish it was next time send a real one, eh? So the guy could have something to play with.
Sarah's on her way over. We have a lot of merch to be shipping out today, and more merch actually just arrived at my mom's house. And
it smells so good.
Matt's going to get that. I'll show you guys what it is. It's not gonna go on sale yet. I have to talk to Jess and see when we're gonna put it up for sale, but I will show you guys what they are, and I'm really excited about it. Okay, I need a V-neck large. Perfect. I need another V-neck large.
Last one.
It is?
Sold out.
V-neck large, sold out. All right, and then Megan Smike Glass, she got a unisex long sleeve in small. Oh, Matt and I are also gonna go get hanging things so we can put them like in these closets and have the merch be like on hanging like racks. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
They're like folded up and like, I'll show
Stacked.
you a picture. Yeah,
Okay.
stacked. Hey!
Come on in. Is it locked?
His hands might be full. Do you need, oh, you're good? Do you need help? Okay.
We're up here.
Yeah, bring it up here.
Going up there?
Yeah, please. Yeah, let's open them right now.
It was outside.
Well, at least you put the plastic over it.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna go back outside.
Do I have scissors up here?
You have a moink?
You have a sticky note on your shoe, Matt. Yeah, it came off.
Nah.
Merch, 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 merch. Yay!
Unveiling.
Oh my god, I love. Do you like?
That's beautiful.
Oh my god, wait, I love these.
Empower the mind, strengthen the body, fuel the soul.
And our symbol. Oh
Hold on.
my god, I love.
360. Although my fingerprints, because it's cold. They have that dew on it.
I love this. Let's take professional pictures when we're done in front of the backdrop. Matt, look at it.
Oh, they're custom?
Yeah.
Ooh. Power the mind, strengthen the body, fuel the soul.
Aren't those awesome?
They're really nice. I like the white.
Oh, we'll have to decide when we're gonna put these on sale.
I really like the white.
Let me call Jess and see, and then we can announce it in the vlog when they'll be on sale. Maybe Sunday night. So it'd be good.
Like watch the video, link it.
Yeah. Ooh, I love these. Sarah, take one. Love, 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 love. And let's look at Sarah's folding. Look at how Sarah folds. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, you do it so beautifully. The water bottles that I showed you guys are going on sale Sunday at 4 p.m., which should be today if this video goes up on Sunday. So today at 4 p.m., these water bottles are going live, 4 p.m. Eastern time. So check the link down below if you guys want to get one of these water bottles. They're super, super cute. I am about to go wash mine and start using mine, but they're literally so cute. That's going to conclude the vlog for today. We just got back from dinner at our friend Kelly's house.
It was delicious.
It was so delicious, but it's really cold outside, which is why my coat is like still on, and this,
Yeah, it's like 28 degrees.
it's so freaking cold.
And wind chill, too.
The wind chill.
Ooh.
The 28 degrees isn't that cold, it's the wind chill.
Just bites at the bones.
Is what brings it to be so cold, but that's all. Hope you guys all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And the water bottles are on sale, so be sure to go check them out.
Buy them.
And buy them. I used mine tonight. They work great. It's so cute. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys all.
Wait,
what?
don't end it yet. This is what you're buying. You gotta get them. Not my style personally, but all you ladies out there in your life that need to drink some more water, do this because it'll encourage you to do it. Nice quote on there. Water fuels the soul, mind, and the body, so you gotta get it.